this modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can work offline mode in Google Sheets, Google Docs and also in Google Slides. If we wish to work in offline mode, we have to follow three simple steps. First, we have to use the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser, and the next initial step is we have to install the Google Docs offline from webstore, and third is we have to turn on the offline setting option, and then you can start working offline. So this is the Google Docs offline extension which is available in the Google Web Store, Chrome Web Store. And once you have to install and add this extension, you can start working. And in the drive settings, you have to give this setting which is work in the offline mode. You have to enable this option, and let us see how it is possible. So this is a Chrome Web Store. I am giving add to Chrome, add extension. Once you click on the add extension, this extension will be added. So it now says the Google Docs offline has been added to Chrome. So this is added in the Chrome browser. So this particular option is available only in the Chrome browser and in Microsoft Edge. Only these two browsers supports these option. And next step is you have to move on to Drive. So you can move to the Drive. In your Drive, you have to turn on some settings. You can click on the settings which is available in the top right corner. Once you click on the setting, in the settings option, we have to go to the general settings. In the general settings, there is a word called offline, and this should be enabled. Create, open and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, Slides files on this device while in your offline mode. So even when you're not connected to the internet, you can start working offline in this Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. So, and once you click on done, you are now able to work in the offline mode. This is how you can work in the offline mode. And thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.